भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ न स्तुरीयः। नात्मभावेन नानेदं न स्वेनापि कथंचन न पृथक् किंचित इति तत्त्वविदो विदुः। 34th कारिका, पेज number 119. So in this last time we saw in detail the dharmi pratyogi swarupa and the bheda. How will you define bheda? You cannot do siddhi of bheda. Because you cannot do siddhi of bheda, you will ultimately have to accept abheda. So dvaita siddhi cannot be done, therefore it is advaitam. This is how we have to understand. Now we have to see Tika, 4th line from the bottom. यदुक्तम अद्वैता शिवा इति तत्र हेत्वन्तरोपन्यासपरत्वं श्लोकस्य दर्शयति। यदुक्तम अद्वैता शिवा, what is said that Advaita is Shiva इति तत्र हेत्वन्तर उपन्यासपरत्वं श्लोकस्य दर्शयति। So in that there is another hetu of this Advaita being Shiva. So one hetu was given in the earlier itself. Advaita Shiva, Kalpana evatu Ashiva. Kalpana is Ashiva. Other than that, everything is Shiva. So Advaita is Shiva. Now another hetu for this upanyasa paratvam shlokasya, this shloka 34th shloka, for that another hetu is given. How? See, kutasya advaita shiva नाना भूतम पृथक्त्वम अन्यस्य अन्यस्मात् यत्र दृष्टम तत्र अशिवम भवेत्. Why do you say non-duality alone is most auspicious? नाना भूतम पृथक्त्वम, नाना भूतम, where there is this manyness, पृथक्त्वम, अन्यस्य अन्यस्मात् यत्र दृष्टम, अन्यस्य अन्यस्मात् पृथक्त्वम, one different from the other, यत्र दृष्टम तत्र अशिवम भवेत्, there is inauspicious thing. So where one is seeing bheda from the other, understand it is ashiva only. Not in vyavahara, in paramartha. In vyavahara, bheda will remain. When it is said, vidya vinaya sampanne, brahmane gavi hastini, shuni chaiva swapakyecha, panditaha samadarshinaha. That shloka is not that we see oneness in vyavahara. If you see oneness in vyavahara, then you will have to eat stones and cow dung, not roti and sabji, because you are seeing oneness. In vyavahara, everything has to be there in its own place. You cannot mix up. In Paramartha, from Paramartha standpoint, you have to see oneness. Anyasya anyasmat pruthakvam yatra drishtam tatra ashivam bhavet. टीका तदेव स्फुटयति नानाभूतम इत्यादिना. नानाभूतम इत्यस्य पर्यायोपादानं पृथक्त्वम् इति. नानाभूतम मीन्स पृथक्त्वम. पर्याय उपादानं. व्हाट इज उपादानं? उपादान मीन्स ग्रहण. तस्य भय कारणत्वं प्रकटयति. पृथक्त्वम इज भय कारणम. वाय? अन्यस्य अन्यस्मात् यत्र दृष्टम पृथक्त्वम तत्र अशिवम भवेत्. When I see one different from the other, that is भय कारणम. तत्र व्याघ्र चोरादाविति यावत्. व्याघ्र चोर इत्यादि. So there we see bheda, therefore bhaya karanam. Tad bhaya karanam bheda darshanam advaya vastuni nasti ityah. In advitiya vastu, bhaya karanam is not there. So bhaya karanam is bheda darshanam. That bheda darshanam is not there in advitiya brahma. नहि अत्र अद्वये परमार्थ सत्यात्मनि प्राणादि संसार जातम इदं जगदात्म भावेन परमार्थ स्वरूपेण निरूप्यमाणं नानावस्त्वन्तरभूतं भवति. नहि अत्र अद्वये परमार्थ सत्यात्मनि. In the advaya, which is paramartha satya swarupa, paramartha satyatmani, प्राणादि संसार जातम इदम जगत, इदम जगत विच इज प्राणादि संसार जातम आत्मभावेन परमार्थ स्वरूपेण निरूप्यमाणम, जगत विच इज आत्मभावेन परमार्थ स्वरूपेण निरूप्यमाणम नाना वस्तुअंतरभूतम नहीं भवति, नहीं इज देयर इन द बिगिनिंग इटसेल्फ। इन अद्वितीय परमार्थ सत्य आत्मा प्राणादि संसार जातम, प्राण आदि यस्य संसार जातस्य तत् इदम प्राणादि संसार जातम जगत आत्मभावेन परमार्थ स्वरूपेण निरूप्यमाणम। दिस जगत आत्मभावेन इज देयर इन दी कारिका। It is translated as, the meaning is given as Paramartha Swarupena Nirupyamanam Nana Vastuvantara Bhutam Bhavati Nahi Bhavati. Means in Paramartha Sat, the Pranadi Sansara which is appearing there, from Paramartha standpoint, Paramartha Swarupena Nana Vastuvantarbhutam na bhavati. What appears from the standpoint of substratum, it cannot be many. Why? Because it is only an appearance. Substratum is the only reality. Adhyastam, that line is explained. Adhyastam adhisthana rupena tattvato nirupyamanam asadeva bhavati ityatra drashtantam aha. Adhyastam, what is superimposed, adhisthana rupena tattvato nirupyamanam. Adhisthana rupena as adhishthanam tatvatah nirupyamanam. What is described or explained from the standpoint of substratum, superimposed when explained from the standpoint of substratum, asadeva bhavati. But you have to remember, adhisthana rupena tatvatah. Adhyastam from another adhyast standpoint is satyam or mithya. Can you hear me or not? Okay. Adhyastam from the standpoint of another adhyastam is satyam. Like my hunger from the standpoint of ahankara is satyam. From the standpoint of body is satyam. From the standpoint of Satchidananda is mithya. One mithya from another vastu in the same degree of reality, same satta, is satya. Because they are samana satta ka vastu. When it is in bhinna satta, it is different. Okay. असदेव भवति इति अत्र दृष्टान्तमाह. यथा रज्जुस्वरूपेण प्रकाशेन निरूप्यमाणो न नानाभूतः कल्पितः सर्पो अस्ति तद्वत्. रज्जुसर्पेण निरूप्यमाणः, रज्जुस्वरूपेण निरूप्यमाणः, as the nature of Rajju when the sarpa is described, it is not there. Rajju swarupena prakashena nirupyamano नानाभूतः कल्पितः सर्पो न अस्ति. Like that, आत्मस्वरूपेण निरूप्यमाणं प्राणादि सर्वप्रपंचम नास्ति. आत्मस्वरूपेण. This is always what we have to remember. You have Atma standpoint and you have Jiva standpoint or Ahankara standpoint or Chidabhasa standpoint. You have Atma standpoint and you have Ahankara or Chidabhasa or Sansari Jiva standpoint. You can negate everything from the standpoint of Atma. But if this Nishtha is not there, remaining as Ahankara, remaining as this Jiva, Chidabhasa, neither I can do Nisheda of my sadhana, nor I can do Nisheda of my sadhya. So many people, they don't know these things. They want to remain individual, Ahankara, Jiva, but they want to do Nisheda of everything. There are no rules, there are no guidelines, there is no dharma. I will do what I want and I will remain Jiva also. They don't know anything. Only from Atma standpoint, all this is mithya. How do I go from Jiva standpoint to Atma standpoint? Jnanam with Vairagya. Not only Jnanam. Why? Because if Vairagya is not there, I am not dropping Upadhi. Conditionings, I am keeping them. With conditionings retained, I am not at this level of Atma. Tika. Pradīpa prakāṣena adhisthāna mātrataya समारोपितः सर्पो यदा निरूप्यते तदा नासौ तद व्यतिरेकेण सिद्ध्यति. When the light, flashlight is there and I see, I am trying to describe the superimposed snake which in the presence of light becomes only adhisthana. प्रदीप प्रकाशेन अधिष्ठान मात्रतया समारोपितः सर्पो यदा निरूप्यते, when it is described, तदा तद व्यतिरेकेण. What is तद? अधिष्ठान व्यतिरेकेण असौ न सिद्ध्यति. असौ कहा? अत्र अध्यस्त किम और कहा? सर्पः. In this line, अध्यस्त is सर्पः, समारोपितः सर्पः. तथा जगदपि इदम आत्मस्वरूपेण निरूप्यमाणं नान्यत्वेन सिद्ध्येत इत्यर्थः. तथा in the same way, idam jagat api, even this world, when atmaswarupena nirupyamana, when described from the standpoint of Atma, anyatvena na siddhyat. its independent existence cannot be established. When Atmatvena, not as Jivatvena or Chidabhasatvena. Evam Prathama Padam Vyakhyaya Dvitiya Padam Vyachashte. So Prathama Pada Vyakhya is done. What is the Prathama Pada? Natma Bhavena Nanedam Nasve Natma Bhavena Nanedam. That much is done. Now Nasve Napi Kathanchana. Napi Svena Pranadhyatmana Idam Vidyate Kadachidapi. Svena Pranadhyatmana Idam Na Vidyate Kadachit, at any time. So Svena means Pranadhyatmana. Atma Bhavena means Satchidatma Swarupena. And Pranadi, so Pranadi is the Prapancha. Sarpa as Rajju Sarpa is not existing. Why? Because it is Kalpita. Sarpa as Atma is not existing. See, he explains what he means. न स्वेन प्राणाद्यात्मना इदं विद्यते कदाचिदपि रज्जु सर्पवत् कल्पितत्वादेव. So you have two ideas, 2 points of thinking. One is where there is Karya Karana, and the other is Karya Karana Vilakshanam. One is within cause effect, another is beyond cause and effect. So now the question is, you take some effect from this creation, then you ask the question, from the standpoint of that which is beyond cause and effect, does this exist? Answer is no. This doesn't exist from the standpoint of beyond cause and effect. Okay, that is first quarter, Prathama Pada. Dvitiya Pada says, this, does it exist from ultimate cause standpoint? So effect is nothing but cause in a different form. So really speaking, effect is not there, cause alone is there. So effect is, karyam is kalpitam from karana standpoint also and from paramartha standpoint also. Nasvena pranadi atmana idam vidyate kadachitapi. Why? Rajju sarpavat kalpitatmadeva. It is also kalpita. Karyam is kalpita in karanam, and karyam is kalpitam in paramartha also. कदाचिदपि इति कल्पनावस्थायां प्राक् ऊर्ध्वं च. In kalpanaavastha, prior to kalpanaavastha, after kalpanaavastha. Kalpanaavasthayam, प्राक् kalpanaavasthayam, kalpanaavasthayam urdhvam cha. This is kadachidapi na vidyate. Why kalpitatvat? न पृथक इत्यस्य अर्थमाह. So first two, Prathama Pada and Dvitiya Pada, their nishedha is done of anything. But we saw last time how Anand Giriji technically using all the language from Nyaya or the Khandana, how he explained. We saw that. न पृथक इत्यस्य अर्थमाह तथा अन्योन्यम न पृथक प्राणादि वस्तु यथा अश्वान महिषः पृथक विद्यते एव अन्योन्यम न पृथक प्राणादि वस्तु म्यूचुअली दे आर नॉट सेपरेट हाउ यथा अश्वान महिषः पृथक विद्यते एव from horse, buffalo, how it is distinct, like that one from the other is not distinct. Why? Because you have to remember, one is not distinct from the other from the standpoint of Paramartha. From the standpoint of Rajju, Sarpa as well as Danda or Udakadhara, they are all same. टीका पृथक्त्वस्य अन्योन्य आश्रयत्वेन दुर्वचनत्वात्. Because we saw this last time, पृथक वस्तु has अन्योन्य आश्रय. पृथक्त्व means भेद. भेद means अन्योन्य भाव. अन्योन्य भाव when it is siddha, pruthakva will be siddham. When pruthakva is siddham, anyanya bhav will be siddham. पृथक्त्वस्य अन्योन्य आश्रयत्वेन दुर्वचनत्वात्. वैधर्म्य उदाहरणं तु प्रातीतिकम्. पृथक्त्वम् अधिकृत्य अवरुद्धम्. Where is Vaidharmya Udaharanam? Tell me. How Ashwa and Mahisha, they are different. Unlike the two things, mutually their different siddhis cannot be done. यथा अन्योन्यम न पृथक प्राणादि वस्तु तथा अन्योन्यम न पृथक प्राणादि वस्तु यथा अश्वान महिषः पृथक विद्यते. दिस इज द वैधर्म्य दृष्टांत. अनलाइक एग्जाम्पल. न अपृथक इत्यादि व्याकरोति. अतः असत्वान् न अपृथक विद्यते अन्योन्यम परेण वा किंचित् इति एवं परमार्थ तत्वविदो ब्राह्मणाः विदुः. असत्वात् न अपृथक विद्यते. Because they are asat vastu, they are not separately, independently existing. Pruthak na vidyate. Why? Asatvat. Anyonyam also parenava kinchit. Mutually also you cannot establish difference between Rajju Sarpa and Rajjudanda, because they both are not existing, asatva. And from the standpoint of Rajju also, neither there is Rajju Sarpa nor there is Rajju Danda. Parinava kinchit iti evam paramartha tattva vido brahmanaha viduhu. Paramartha tattva jnani. Now, you notice in the morning session also in Anubhuti Prakash, for Viveki, what was the Shabda given? Who will have Viveka? Three examples were given. Balaha, Raja, and Brahmana. In the mantra itself, Brahmana, Mahabrahmana Shabda was there. Here Bhashyakar, Gaudapadacharya ji said only this one, Paramartha Tattva Vido Vidu. He added Brahmana. Brahmana means Sattva Pradhana. At least this much we can understand. Sattva Pradhana, Raja, then Tamaha. Rajoguna Pradhana will become Kshatriya. And then Tamoguna Pradhana will become Vaishya and Shudra. द्वैतस्य प्रागुक्त न्यायेन असत्वात् न तद अन्योन्यम वा परेण आत्मना वा सह अपृथक भूत्वा सिद्धुम अर्हति. द्वैतस्य प्रागुक्त न्यायेन, as it is said earlier, asatvat, because it is asat, na tad anyonyam, neither mutually they can establish their existence, not parena atmana. From the higher standpoint also, parena atmana va saha aprathak bhutva siddhum na arhati. Being separate, it cannot do its siddhi. Aprathak bhutva siddhum na arhati. It has to become one with the adhisthana. Ato durnirupatvan na kinchit dvaitam nama asti iti brahmavidam matam ityartha. Ataha durnirupatvan, therefore being indescribable, anirvachaniya, durnirupatvat, nirupanam na shakyate, na kinchit dvaitam nama asti iti brahmavidam matam ityartha. What is the brahmajnani matam? Na kinchit dvaitam nama asti. There is no such thing called dvaitam. This is the exact translation of this. Dvaitam nama means how they say, no such thing called dvaitam asti. This is their understanding. Matam means not opinion, matam means their understanding. Drishtam hi dvaitam bhaya hetu. Dvaitam is bhaya hetu. Tad asprishtam punaha advaitam abhayam eva iti upasamharati. Untouched by that, tad asprishtam punaha advaitam abhayam eva. Advaitam is abhayam. इति उपसंहरति। अतः अशिव हेतुत्व अभावात् अद्वैता एव शिव इति अभिप्रायः। अशिव हेतुत्व अभावात्, शिव हेतुत्व is Advaitam. Ashiva Hetutva is Dvaitam. Ashiva Hetu Abhava means because there is no Dvaitam, therefore Advaita eva Shiva. Advaita is Shiva. So you have to remember all these karikas, in fact Mandukya in itself, to enjoy and appreciate, you have to have lot of uparati. Uparati will be there only if Shama and Dama both are there. If Shama, Dama is not there, Uparati will not be Siddha. When Shama, Dama, Uparama, all three are there, then Advaita Shiva, Natma Bhavena Nanedam, Nasvenapi Kathanchana, Na Pratakkinchi. And what was said in the earlier one also, Avairasad Virevayam, Advayena cha Kalpitaha, Bhavapi Advayenaiva, Tasmat Advaita Shiva. These shlokas will make sense only when this Advitiyatva preparation is done. Now, just think a little. When you started your Vedanta Adhyanam, first time, how much time has already gone until now? And can you say that you have more Shama, Dama, Uparamanam? But can you also say that you have this shloka as your own understanding? Because it is said Tattva Vido Viduhu. If I say I am Tattva Jnani, then this should be my ukti, my speech, my words. Is it there? When I say Advaita Shiva, means I am that Mangalam, I am Shiva. So if I can't say, that means I have to work on something. So these things I had said many years back. You keep one text and then you study it at regular interval. And with that as a reference, you compare yourself. How are you moving forward? And Mandukya is some such text for myself, I think. So I use that as a basis and see whether I am moving forward or not in my yatra. And what is not required, what is unnecessary, can I let go of it easily or not? All this chintan we have to keep doing, basically. Further now. Kimiti, now 4 karikas are there, all 4 karikas are for Jivan Mukta. So if Tattva Jnanam through Tharo Mananam has been understood, then there is Jivan Mukti. Kimiti yathoktam advaitam sarvesham na pratiti gocharatam acharati ityashankya. This advaitam that you said, everybody doesn't get it. Sarvesham pratiti gocharatam na acharati. Everyone doesn't have this vision of Advaitam. Iti ashankyaha. Vitaraga bhaya krodhair मुनिभिर्वेद पारगैः निर्विकल्पो ह्ययं दृष्टः प्रपञ्चोपशमोद्वयः वीतरागभयक्रोधैः This is what is required. Vita raga bhaya krodhaihi munivihi veda paragaihi ayam nirvikalpaha drishtaha ayam prapanchopashamaha drishtaha ayam advayaha drishtaha. So here bheda is given, seer and seen. Muni is the seer. That Muni, some lakshanas are given. And Advitiya Brahma is seen. Gita Raga Bhaya Krodhaihi. Those who are free from Vigata Raga Scha Bhayascha Krodhascha. Gita Raga Bhaya Krodhaha. Taihi Vitaragavaya Krodhaihi. So, Vigatani or Vigataha Ragavaya Krodhaha Yasmat. Te Vitaragavaya Krodhaha. Those from whom Raga, Bhaya, Krodha and all other such things, they are gone. I mean, they have no Raga Dveshas, no Bhaya, no Krodha, Kama, ityadi. That is their sadhana chatushtaya. Then Veda Paragaihi, those who have done Upanishad Shravana. Veda Paragaha, Veda Paraha Gacchati iti Veda Paragaha. Gacchati means Janati. So those who know Upanishads, those who have done Upanishad Shravana. And Munibihi means those who do Mananam. So those who have Sadhana Chatushtaya, those who are Shrotriya, and those who have done Mananam. Mananam means their swabhava is to do Shastra Chintanam, Tattva Chintanam. Such people only will see Prapancha Upashamaha, Nirvikalpaha, Advayaha. Only they will recognize it. Not everybody. Everybody can study Mandukya Upanishad, but everybody will not get it. Like in our Maharaji's Advaita Siddhi class also, lot of people sit. Everyone doesn't understand what is going on. So, Prapanchopashamo Advayaha Nirvikalpaha Taihi Drashtaha. Only such people will see it. रागादि प्रतिबंध विदुराणाम एव यथोक्तम अद्वैत दर्शनम न सर्वेषाम इत्यर्थः. Anand Giriji, in one line he has given main gist. Those who are free from pratibandha. What are the pratibandhas? Ragadi are pratibandha. Ragadi pratibandha vidhura. Vidhura means, literal meaning of Vidura is what? You don't know what is Vidura? Vidhava Shabda you know. Right? So when wife remains but her husband dies, she is called Vidhava. When husband remains and wife dies, he is called Vidura. So Ragadi Pratibandha, if they are dead and the dharmi person remains, then he is called Ragadi Pratibandha Vidura. For such people alone, Advaita Darshanam is possible. न सर्वेषां. श्लोकस्य तात्पर्यमाह तदेतद् इति. तदेतद् सम्यक् दर्शनं स्तूयते. So now this सम्यक् दर्शन स्तुति is done. Stutischa, have you noticed one? You might have noticed. I am trying to notice this. Somebody has written a commentary. You want to write commentary that will fit in this commentary. This is Anand Giriji's role. When you write commentary on commentary means what? You have to write sentences which have to be read in between the main commentary. So it is not easy, but this is what they do. This is wonderful tradition of ours. And like in the world, there are people, when one person is talking, they want to talk in between. You say, oh, they are also writing commentary and commentary. No, they are nuisance. If they are not adding value to what this person is saying, they are not saying out of respect, reverence. They are not saying out of glorifying this person. So if they speak in between, but to put the main person down, that is not called commentary on commentary. Anand Giriji, he glorifies his master's words. Stutischa. Tadeta samyak darshanam stuyate. What is this stuti? Stutischa tad upaya pravritta upakaroti iti sheshaha. What is this stuti doing? Upaya pravrittau upakaroti. Tad upaya. Tad means Tad means samyak darshana. Samyak darshana is there. The upayas are Shamadhi Sat Sampatti or Sadhan Chatushtaya, Shravanam, Mananam. For me to get engaged in them, there is stuti of Samyak Darshanam. Samyak Darshanam stuyate. Kasmat stutischa tad upaya pravrittau upakaroti. So that in that upaya I will have pravritti, I will get seriously engaged. Iti sheshaha. So we say, what is the need of all this praise, stuti or arthavada? There is a reason. so that I will get seriously engaged. I see so many people, so many so-called Mahatmas also, but they don't have that much Mahatva Buddhi in Shravanadi. And they are interested in doing some Anushtanam, some Purashcharanas. They are good at one stage, but they should not be that I don't do any Shravanam only. आदिपदेन सम्यक् दर्शन प्रतिबंधकाः सर्वे दोषाः संगृह्यन्ते. आदिपदेन, Adipada, there you will have to get the Adipada from Ragadi Pratibandha. So all Samyak Darshana Pratibandhakas, all doshas when they are gone, because they just give 2-3 here, but we have to understand all. You can see from here. So, Vita Raga Bhaya Dvesha Krodhadi Sarvadoshai. Vigata Raga Bhaya Dvesha Krodha Adi. That Adi is what in Tika earlier was said, Ragadi. So, Raga Bhaya Dvesha Krodha Vigata. Everything has to go. So, and we have this tendency, I still have time, I still am young, I have enough time to play around, fool around. But remember, suddenly life will give surprise. Kala Devata is there to do checkmate. Only one news comes about health, and then that's it. So procrastination doesn't help. Procrastination means, I will do later, will start from January now. Now this is, already May is over, so January onwards. Ragadi vimoko yada kadachit anadhikarinam api sambhavati ato vishinashti sarvada iti. Vimoka means moksha. Freedom from Ragadi, even those who are anadhikari, sometimes it is seen they don't have Raga, they don't have Dvesha. They say, no, this sometime business doesn't work here. Sarvada means Bhashyakar is also strict, Anand Giriji is too very strict. Like if somebody says, I am so good, you say, when I am sleeping, I don't bother you. Oh yes, in Jagrat Kala, this is all I do. I bother you. So then, Sarvada it should be. Raga Dveshas, they bother us. Bhaya, Krodha, they bother us. Sada Ragadi Vyavrittau Vivekam Hetu Prapanchayati. Ragadi Vyavritti all the time. How is it possible? If I become Muni, Mananashila, Muni Vihi, Mananashilai. This is the Hetu. Vivekam Hetum. So Ragadi Vyavritti will happen through Viveka. What is the Hetu for that Viveka? Manana. Shravanadi also will come later. मननशीलैः विवेकिभिः वेदपारगैः. That Bhajagovindam shloka is there. Satsangatve Nisangatvam. Nisangatve what? Nirmohatvam. Nirmohatve Nischalatatvam. But here some other part also I heard. Somebody said Satsangatve Nisangatvam, Nisangatve Nischalatatvam. Nischalatatve Nirmohatvam. But I don't know. You can explain either way. But Satsanga means Shravana Mananam here. Satsangatve Nisangatvam. First result is Vairagya. Nisangatve Nirmohatva. Moha should go. Moha goes, then Nischalatatva. If Moha is there, then when I am told there is Rajju, no, I want to see Sarpa, then that Moha continues. So, Mananashilaihi Vivekibihi Vedaparagaihi Avagata Vedartha Tattvaihi Jnanibihi. Those Avagato Vedartha Tattva Yaihi Te Avagata Vedartha Tattvaha Taihi Avagata Vedartha Tattvaihi. In other words, Brahma is known as my Swarupa. How to open Brahuvrihi Samasa and all is one thing, but I have to know Vedartha Tattva. Vedartha Tattva is Brahma. I am not different from Brahma. I am Samsari, Asamsari. Right now I think I am Sansari. This Samsara Uchcheda, those who have understood in themselves, means Aham is, see, I take myself as Sansari right now. Upanishad says I am Asamsari. I am Asansari means I am Ahampada Lakshyartha. Because only in Ahampada Lakshyartha Asamsaritva is possible, not in Ahampada Vachyartha. So every time I have to remember, I am Asamsari means I am Ahampada Lakshyartha. I am Ahampada Lakshyartha means in me there is no Deha, there is no Indriya, no Prana, no Mana, Buddhi, nothing. Then only I am Ahampada Lakshyartha. So anything that is Mithya or anything that I was erroneously thinking of myself as with conditioning, with Upadhi, not me. This I must know. Only then I can say I know Vedartha Tattva. And of course that is Brahma, that is infinite. So, Jnani Vihi, by such Jnanis. And Mananam means, best way to do Mananam is to study such texts like what we are doing, on regular basis. So texts like Sankshepa Shariraka, what we are studying now, Upanishads like Mandukya is there, Katha is there, Brahadaranyaka, Anubhuti Prakash is there, and whatever other texts that you are studying, teaching, that ongoing thinking should be there. And for that, if Vyakarana is needed, if Nyaya is needed, Mimamsa is needed, you fit them in. By such people, Nirvikalpaha Sarva Vikalpa Shunyo Ayam Atma Drashtaha. This Atma is Nirvikalpa Sarva Vikalpa Shunyaha. प्राणादि आरोपित धर्म शून्य इत्यर्थः दृष्टः. Up to that we keep. Then from upalabdha ityadi, and here also in Tika we have to start from after Munivihi. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om.